time has come to adopt Uniform Civil Code.
In a landmark movement in Assam Legislative Assembly, the Assam Legislative Assembly today passed a bill that bans any form of polygamy in the state. However, there is a rider that the bill will not be applicable in the 6 scheduled areas, that is the tribal areas of the state, where you have the 6th schedule, where you have the local councils governing the area. There this bill will not be applicable. However, this bill will now not only criminalize the polygamy in the state, but people who will be found guilty will have to face imprisonment for at least 7 years, and also there are components in the bill that proposes compensation for the victim of polygamy, as well as there are other provisions to safeguard the interest of the women. The Chief Minister of Assam clearly said that this bill is not aiming at any community, but is another step towards women empowerment, given the fact that the state had in past banned child marriage and also taken several steps. Critics had earlier said that the bill being passed now ahead of the Assam elections also in a way indirectly kind of tries to target the Bengali Muslim community in Assam, where there is a prevalence of polygamy. At least that is what BJP had been claiming. However, the Chief Minister said that it's not targeting anybody. In fact, the opposition parties also took part in the debate, and the opposition parties also had actually urged that the bill be moved to the select committee. However, in voice vote, the bill has been passed in the State Legislative Assembly.
আপোনাৰ ভাষাতে কৈছো, ভুলতে যদি ইয়াত আহো, প্ৰথম ইউচিসি সুপ্ৰিম কোৰ্টে বাৰে বাৰে কৈ আছে টাইম হেজ কাম টু এডপ্ট ইউনিফৰ্ম চিভিল কোড। আমিনুল ইছলাম ডাঙৰীয়াই ঠিক কথা কৈছে যে ইউচিচিৰ ফালে আগবাঢ়ি গৈ আছে নেকি। মই প্ৰতিশ্ৰুতি দিছো, যদি অসমৰ মুখ্যমন্ত্ৰী হৈ মই উভতি আহিব পাৰো, ইউচিচি সদনত মই আনিম। মোক যিমান পাৰে ৰখাই লওক, যোনে যেনেকে পাৰে ৰখাই লওক, আৰু মোক যদি ৰখাব নোৱাৰে, সদনৰ প্ৰথম অধিৱেশনতে অসমত ইউচিচি আহিব। গতিকে অখিল গগৈ ডাঙৰীয়াৰ দায়িত্ব বাঢ়িলে, মোক ৰখুৱাৰ দায়িত্ব আপোনাৰ বাঢ়িলে। আপোনালোকে আৰু কষ্ট কৰক, আৰু যাওক, আৰু চেষ্টা কৰক, যাতে আপোনালোকে আমাক ৰখাব পাৰে। আৰু আমাক যদি ৰখাব নোৱাৰে, মই আপোনাক কমিটমেণ্ট দিলোঁ আজি, অসমত মই ইউচিচি আনিহে এৰিম।